Life of PhD student at IIIT Delhi is a lot of fun, but it comes with a sense of responsibility. Most of us serve as teaching assistants for the first year and assist instructors in designing courses, grading assignments and so on, and developing the course also. So we have a lot of responsibility starting from the first year, and it gives us a good exposure if some of us are planning for an academic career after having PhD.
When I got a call to do PhD from IIITD, I looked at who are the people here. The first name that came was Dr. Pankaj Jalote. I mean, he's an icon himself. We've just grown up reading his books. The other faculty, I mean, each of them has done PhD from like the best schools all around the globe in computer science. So that just motivated me, increased the confidence level in the institute, which is still evolving.
If I have to summarize the research work at IIIT Delhi, then it would be real world, cutting edge and challenging.
We work with problems with close collaboration with industry leaders such as Microsoft, IBM, Nokia, Nvidia and Google.
For example, I am working with Nokia Research in a very close collaboration where one of my research finding on location-based services for mobile phones will be incorporated into some of their future products.
So here's my take as to why you should join IIIT. Before moving to IIIT, I spent about 2 years in a leading software company in India in their research labs. I had basically 3 things to look out for. First is obviously it is the financial aspect. You have to look into what kind of remuneration the industry provides you and what kind of remuneration IIIT provides you. It's on par. It's almost as good as what you can get across any institute in India. Second, you associate industry with professionalism, which to a large extent is also true at IIIT. Things are much more professional here. The traditional academic cliches probably don't hold here. Two, since it's academia, it also combines with the informal setting. I have a lot of flexibility, I can choose my work hours, I get the required computing resources as well. So probably all this makes for a very healthy environment to enjoy your life at IIIT. So basically IIIT for me would stand for industriousness, impetuity and ingenuity, and obviously you should look to have fun.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। टी मी मी टी मी मी मी।
Many of us are also working on funded projects from Government of India like DIT, DST, as well as from some private organizations like Nokia also. The best part of PhD life at IIIT Delhi is that the institute gives us a handsome stipend and also provides travel grants for traveling to international conferences as well as national conferences. Apart from this, a PhD student gets the chance to decide his own working hours. Like, there is no bounding that you have to come early in the morning at 9 AM and sign some register on. You can choose your own office hour based on your convenience and your distance.
One of the best opportunities for a PhD student in IIIT is the collaborative PhD program.
In this program, each PhD student spends some time in an internationally renowned research lab.
When I interacted with the faculty here, the enthusiasm, conviction and vision they had was just contagious. I just wanted to be part of this institute and do research here. When in all these months that I've spent the time here, I think the freedom, the level of confidence the faculty shows in you, the kind of encouragement we do to get good work in real life applications, I couldn't have asked for a better research atmosphere. I think I took the correct decision of coming and joining IIITD for my PhD. Everybody is moving out of this lab, including Paral. And by the way, when you guys go, I want everything back in order. ये देखो, टेबल की हालत देखो. ठीक करो इसे.
क्या हो गया?
Okay, movie. Rank you like anything.
Last.
Manush. Okay, leave it. Sorry, Shaktiman.
कामू हट.
Sorry.
यार क्या ड्रामा लोग यहाँ पे.
ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम ऐसे हो हमारे करम नेकी पर चले और बोतल ना फेंके ताकि हंसते हुए निकले हम.
I've actually seen people do anything for footage, but not this.
For me, IIIT Delhi rocks.
IIIT for me is opportunity, innovation, and great fun.
For you, IIIT is.
It is awesome, dude.
Come here to experience it.